Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wished you could create your very own digital planner, one that's fillable, customizable, and totally free, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a fillable PDF digital planner using Canva and a handy online tool called DocHub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized planner you can type into on your tablet, laptop, or phone, perfect for staying organized in style. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva in your browser. Canva is fantastic because it's user-friendly and full of beautiful templates, even in the free version. If you don't have an account yet, it only takes a minute to sign up. Once you're in, look for that Create button. It's usually at the top right of your dashboard. Give it a click. You'll see a search bar pop up, and here, where Canva really shines, type in Planner. This pulls up dozens of planner templates, daily, weekly, monthly, each with unique layouts and color schemes. Take your time and scroll through the options. Pick a template that matches your style and needs. Maybe you like something minimal and clean, or maybe you're after a splash of color or motivational quotes to jazz up your days. Don't stress too much about making the perfect choice right now. You can customize everything later. Once you've selected your template, it'll open up in Canva's editor. Now comes the fun part, making it yours. You can easily click on any text to edit it, change the headings to suit your goals, maybe switch to-do list to action items, or add sections for gratitude or wellness checks. If you want to add new elements like extra text boxes, cute icons, or even your own doodles or photos, just use the sidebar menu. Drag and drop things around until your layout feels just right. Don't be afraid to experiment. Changes are saved automatically, and you can always undo something if you change your mind. Take a moment to think about what you'll actually want to use every day, even jot down ideas on paper if that helps you plan your sections. Once you're happy with your customized planner, it's time to export it. At the top right, click Share and then select Download. Here's an important step. Make sure to change the file type to PDF print. This option keeps your design crisp and clear, and it'll be compatible with the editing tool we're about to use. Hit download, and after a few seconds, your planner will be saved right on your computer. Nice work. Now you have a beautiful PDF planner design, but it isn't fillable yet. Let's fix that. Head over to DocHub. It's a fantastic free tool that lets you add fillable fields on any PDF. If you don't have an account, take a quick second to sign up or log in. Once you're in, look for the Import a Document button and upload your newly downloaded planner PDF. DocHub will load it up, and from there you can add text fields wherever you want users, or yourself, to type in their plans, lists, notes, or goals. It's honestly kind of fun to see your planner come to life. And that's it, you now have a fully customized, fillable PDF planner you made yourself. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical, creative tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy planning.